Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video we're going to install Antigravity on Windows, step by step, so without wasting any time, let's get started. First open your browser and search for Google Antigravity. In the search results, open the official website. On the home page, click Download for Windows. Scroll down and click the Windows 64-bit download option. The download will start, wait until it completes. When the installer is ready, right-click the setup file and choose Open. Minimize your browser to focus on the installation window. Click I agree to the agreement, then click Next. You will see the default installation path. It requires around 701 megabytes. Leave it as it is, and click Next. On the Select Start menu folder page, keep the default settings and click Next. On the Additional Tasks page, keep everything default. Make sure Create a Desktop icon is checked. Click Next again. On the confirmation screen, click Install. The installation will begin. Wait for it to finish. When the installation is complete, a desktop shortcut will appear. If Launch Antigravity is checked, click Finish. Antigravity will open automatically and show the welcome screen. Click Next to begin the initial setup. Now choose a theme. I'm selecting dark, but you can choose whatever you like. Click Next. Select how the Antigravity agent should work. Use the default option, Agent Assisted Development, and click Next. Antigravity will now configure your editor. It will install language extensions and required command line tools automatically. Click Next. You will be asked to sign in with your Google account. Select your Gmail and finish the login. After you sign in, go back to Antigravity. Accept the terms of use and click Next. Now Antigravity will open fully for the first time. The layout is similar to editors like VS Code or Cursor. It's built for AI-assisted development, so you can ask questions, switch between models like Gemini 3 Pro, open folders, manage agents, or clone repos right from the interface. And that's how you install and set up Antigravity on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in the comments section.